My name is Hélène Ruiz Fabri. I'm a professor of international at the Sorbonne Law School at the University Paris 1 Panthéon-Sorbonne, where I'm back after having been director at the Max Planck Institute Luxembourg for procedural law for 9 years. The presentation I gave at the Max Planck Law Annual Conference this year dealt with law as a discipline of crisis. And I chose this topic because I think that us as lawyers need to reflect on the pressure we might feel of working on crises as important events and extraordinary events, but events which occur often, and we might jump to short-termism and short-sighted vision of these events if we are not able to take enough insight. Law, of course, is an important tool to deal with crisis because it can help disciplining mechanisms dealing with the crisis, but at the same time it's a Janus, it's a double-edged sword in the sense that it can also provide some tools which steer the system in a non-democratic and non-open direction. Most of the time, crises based on the argument of urgency call for radical responses, and then it can be a way of weaponizing crisis and weaponizing law. So this is also part of the risks. Crises are not, in my view, legal phenomena. They are political phenomena and political constructs. A crisis is not as such obvious or evident. It always comes from a qualification which has a political dimension. There is a selectivity regarding the set of facts which are considered, most of the time forgetting about the most complex historical background which triggers such crisis. So we have to be aware of this political dimension, also because law as a tool can be used as a justification of the use of exceptional mechanisms. Although law might frame them, it can also be instrumentalized. And also it is a tool for change, but which change would we wish to bring as a response to the crisis, and which role do we attribute to law? Now, I was really delighted to be invited to speak about this topic at the Max Planck Annual Law Conference for two reasons. First, the topic, because I think that it is important for us, senior researchers, but also young researchers, to reflect on such a topic, especially now. It's very timely. But also because I think that Max Planck Law is a very important network for young researchers. It brings them the possibility of network with people from other legal fields and to have exchange of ideas. And so Max Planck Law is close to my heart, and I very much wish that this type of annual conference can go on for years.